Hello everyone. As you know, Wowapp always comes up with a new feature every year. And this time also, Wowapp has provided us another video to watch. This video watch option has been provided in Eastern Urn. Now I am showing you. As you can see here under Eastern Urn, there are three videos naming Code Orange, Code Blue and Code Red. Code Red watch video I have already watched it, and so that is why it is showing time that it will come back in 40 seconds, and then we will be having another video. So here the time limit is over and now we can watch video. I am tapping on uh, three I'm tapping on all three videos here. So here we go.
Game is 100% legit. You can win real money. I'm talking $2 million a week. So stop what you're doing. Check out this game. Download it. You play a few practice runs. If you don't love it, check it out on my Twitch.
So I have watched Code Red video and here I have earned coins. So that's how it works. There is also a hint provided below the video. The number of available videos is limited. See video till the end to get this reward. Always come back after the countdown is over to check for more videos. So videos are limited according to your location and other factors. Uh, so we can watch maximum up to 10 or 12 videos in a day. So you can watch so you can earn 1 or 2 hour coins by watching videos in a day. So that's all. Hope you like this video. Please share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for your time.